Google Classroom is a free service for schools, non-profits, and anyone with a personal Google account. Classroom makes it easier for learners and instructors to connect inside and outside of school. Classroom saves times and paper and make it easy to create classes, distribute assignments, communicate, and stay organized. Let's see how to install Google Classroom on Android. First, we need to go to Google Play, so open Google Play. On the search above, write Google Classroom. Now tap on Search. After you have found the app, just tap on Install and wait. You have now installed Google Classroom on your Android device. Now, just tap on Open. Tap on Get Started. If you have multiple accounts on Google, select the one you wish to use. Your new account is ready and the app is ready to be used. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.